Hello guys, today I received this wireless HD transmitter receiver kit. They're very nice. Comes obviously with two pieces, the transmitter and the receiver. And these are very nice because you can use it to transmit from your laptop to your television without needing to plug in the HDMI cable, which is something that it's quite nice. Okay, when we open the package, we see the instructions. Here they are. It comes with all its cables. It has one USB A and Type C, well, two actually, and the HDMI male and female. These are the receiver and transmitter. The transmitter is one that says TX and the receiver RX. So what I'm gonna do is read the instructions so I can use it. I'll use it here with my television so you see how it works. Okay, to use them you need to plug the transmitter to the TV, and also into the TV connect the power supply, which is this cable. You just connect it to the transmitter and plug it in. So I'm gonna plug it in right now. So I'm gonna move a bit of things right here so I can connect it to the TV, which is this one. Carefully get it like this. Remove this. We take the cap off. It's really nice that it comes with a cap. And we just plug it in, connect it to the okay. Now I'm gonna connect it to the transmitter upon my laptop. Okay, so there it is. It's transmitting my screen. Here's my laptop screen, and that's my TV working via the receiver. I can open things and stuff like that. They're quite nice. They work very well. I like that when I instantly put the transmitter upon my laptop, it immediately got the signal, the receiver, and starts projecting, which is quite nice, and it demonstrates how easy to use this receiver and transmitter kit is. So I highly recommend it, guys.